Hello student, I am Physics Guru Atul Pandey and today we are going to discuss about the work, power and energy. Okay, so start with work. What is a work? Work is the product of force and displacement. One thing is very important in a physics. Two factor is very important: force and displacement. If you have both are terms missing, then physics is not considered as a work. Very important is in the physics, work is doing with two factors: force and displacement. So work is the product of force and displacement, and we can write W is equal to F into S. Each factor is very important. So W is equal to F into S. So we can say the definition of work. What is the definition? The work is the product of force and displacement. Right? Now what is the unit? So according to the formula, the unit of force, we know very well, Newton, and the unit of displacement is meter. So Newton into meter, and Newton into meter is also written as joule. Okay, joule. So we can write 1 joule is nothing but 1 Newton and meter. And work is scalar quantity. It means there is no need to any kind of direction, only we can consider the magnitude of the work. Scalar quantity says the physical quantity which have a magnitude but no direction is called scalar quantity, right? Now dimension formula, or could we say D formula. Okay, so what is the D formula of work? So first write the D formula of force, which is ml t की power of -2, and the dimension formula of displacement is a one type of distance, then L. So total dimension formula of ml square t की power of -2 in square bracket, right? Now what is the power? So power is the rate of doing work done. So we can write the formula of power is equal to work done, okay, over time. So this is the formula of power is equal to work done upon time. The rate of doing work done is called power, right? So we can write here P is equal to W upon T, and the unit, very important, the unit of work done is joule, and the unit of time we know second. So joule by second, or could be write watt, okay, watt, and the other unit is SP, horsepower. Horsepower is equal to, horsepower is nothing but 746 watt, right? And now what is the energy?